Hi darlings, Mimi G here. I am finally so excited to announce something I've been working on for almost a year now. And I can finally talk about it today and introduce you guys to the Mimi G Oliso collaboration of my very own iron. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So I thought I would pop on, one, announce it, and two, just tell you a little bit about why this is so exciting for me and how beautiful this iron is. Now, if you guys have been following me, you know the #1 rule. If you sew a seam, you press a seam. Our sewing machines are like the most important thing in our sewing rooms. But the very next thing that is just as important is an iron. So I wanted to bring all of the things that I love and need in my sewing room and put it all into the Mimi G iron. So let's unbox this baby and show you what I got. All right, guys, let's look inside the box. Ta-da! Now you know you were gonna get some leopard print from Mimi G, right? This here is really special to me because it's a big, big thank you to all of you who have supported me over and over and over through the years. There's no way I would be able to do any of what I do if it wasn't for you guys, so thank you so much. This animal print repeats on the inside of the box, which is just really cute. And inside the box, you obviously are going to get the Mimi G and Oliso user manual that's in your box. And then you also have a little postcard from me, and on the back of the card, you have a QR code that will take you directly to mimigstyle.com, where I share more pictures of the iron and also list all of the amazing features that come with the Mimi G iron. You guys ready to see her? And for full transparency, I took that styrofoam out because don't nobody want to hear all of that. Okay, you guys ready? Ta-da! I love her so much. She's so amazing. And of course, with your iron, you get a matching water cup. Now, let me show you all of the amazing features on the Mimi G iron. Now, of course, you know that the Mimi G Oliso had to have the iTouch auto lift technology, which lifts and lowers with just the touch of my hand, because you guys all know that you will put an iron down and forget. It also has a diamond ceramic flow sew plate, which has superior heat and durability, but it's also non-stick, which makes cleaning super easy, especially when your iron touches your fusible interfacing, and you know we have all gotten into those sticky situations. We have the 2-inch detailer tip. Now this is really great because this is perfect for seams, bias tape, tight corners, pressing your cuffs, working with collars. It makes pressing so much easier. Now this also has an extended 30-minute auto off, because I know you hate when you go, you press something, then you go to your sewing machine, you start sewing, and then you go back to your iron, and now your iron is cold and you gotta wait for it to heat up again, and nobody got time for all that. So this little baby stays on for 30 minutes. And it also has quick heating because it has 1800 watts of power. It also has the largest water tank in its class, because your girl knows you need a lot of water, so it holds 12.7 ounces of water, and of course it has the cute matching cup. We also have the triple play steam, which is really great for vertical steaming and horizontal steaming, which makes it super easy to get out even the toughest wrinkles. And we have the anti-drip system, because you know you guys have been ironing and all of a sudden your iron gets hot and it just starts spitting water all over your fabric. You know, we've all been there. Well, now you have an anti-drip Mimi G Oliso iron. You're welcome. And of course, there's a built-in spray for stubborn wrinkles, and you get a 3-year warranty. Now we also have a super extra 12-foot cord and a 360 pivot, which makes it easy and you don't get tangled up. But the best part of the Mimi G iron, I mean, let's talk about it, is my animal print, which is on the iron, and it makes it so beautiful, and the colors just coordinate, and I'm so excited about it, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. And of course you have the Mimi G logo here, and then my signature G right here. All right, guys, again, thank you so very much. If you need more information on the iron, you can find it on my website, mimigstyle.com or oliso.com. Both of those are linked in the description box below. And this is a limited edition, so we have only made a certain amount of iron. So if you want some more information, visit the links or the buy now button, also linked in the description box. Until next time, peace.